Are you ready to live the courageous life you've always wanted to? Guys, I've got it for you right here. Give me a couple minutes of your time. I'm going to give you 3 steps from author Eric Winters about how to start living your best life and your most courageous life right now, today. Don't wait. Don't miss it. Don't let this pass you by, guys. I just need a couple minutes of your time. We're going to get right into it. Let's get it.
Be better tomorrow because of what you do today.
Eric, I'm going to put you on the spot here, okay? Just a quick 3 steps that people can take to start living the courageous life they want to right now instead of waiting.
Okay, so here I've got a 3-step approach for people to use at the time that they're being challenged. So I'm assuming people have got an idea of what they'd like to do more of in life. And it could be you're trying to take care of your health, maybe, or you'd like to be bolder at work, be more honest, speak up more often, perhaps, apply for that job. So here we go. When you're feeling challenged, there's 3 steps. The first step, and this is called the 3N model, by the way. So the first step, the first N, is to notice. You just notice that you're being challenged as it's happening in real time. And you may notice that there's a tension in your body, perhaps, or you might notice that you're telling yourself something. You say, oh, they'd never like this. This won't go well. Just notice what you're telling yourself. Notice the experience of being challenged. That's 1. Number 2 is to name it. We actually label it. When we name our challenging experiences, we tame them. So you want to name it. So you might just say, I'm being challenged. You could just simply say that, I'm being challenged. Or you might say, I'm having the thought that no one will like this. Or I'm having the thought that this can't go well. Or what have you. Or I'm having the thought that I've got to have a glass of wine. I'm having the thought. I've had that thought. I'm having the thought. But imagining that you're someone who'd like to change their behavior. Just say, I notice I'm having the thought that I should drink something, eat something. So we name it. Number 3, ask yourself a question. Now, what would the kind of person I want to be do? Now, what would the kind of person I want to be do? Notice, name, now what? Those 3 steps. Practice those. You won't crack it on your first attempt, but really, the better you get at asking yourself taking those 3 steps, the more effective you'll be at making choices that are aligned with being the kind of person you want to be.